Yes, hello everyone there. I hope everybody's doing fine. All right, today I want to talk about some of us, some of us web developers, whatever coders, programmers. We do common mistakes that are supposed not to be done. We design or develop a website which has a static date, which I mean, this what I mean. You can see this has a 2020 2020 year, which will remain still the same after we reach 2021. This is what I mean. Like, for example, you can see this website uh, uh, here. Yeah, here down there. Today we are in 21. Yes, today we are in 21. But it's still telling us that 2020. Sorry for the correction here. We correct later. But anyway, we concentrating on this. Okay, this is the year that still remains static. We are in 2021, but we are still having the same year. So today I want to talk about how can we tackle this. I'm going to use JavaScript language, which is most common that normally used for changing my year in developing websites. Okay, first of all, let me start with this code. Let me add one file, index dot html. Okay. Once I start my index with HTML, I like using HTML. No. Sorry, not HTML. I like using Bootstrap. Bootstrap is one of my favorite. So because it's very stylish, it does all the things in one time. So that's why I love Bootstrap. Yeah. Okay. We can change the title. Okay, title. We can say year. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. And here I will start simple. I will start with div. Okay, with div class. Let's say. But anyway, I don't need any class. So I will just go with. I'll go with span. I'll go with div again. Okay, I'll go with div again. We're gonna write something. Why is it not responding? But anyway, okay. Why div? We close this one, and then in this div, I'm gonna put a span. I'm gonna put span, and here in span, I'm going to put an ID. In the ID, I'm gonna put a year, which is year, and then I'm going to write something like this. Okay, I'll start with copyrights. Okay, I'll start with copyrights. We're gonna write something like this. Copy. I'm gonna go something like this. Namibian. Okay, let me go with my whatever. Let me go with my, for example, my website. My YouTube website, sorry, called jig. Okay, and then we go with all right, all right. Sorry for my spelling. Result. Okay, and then after we finish writing this, I can display it. Once I will display it, for example, now we don't have nothing here. I'm going to display it. Firstly, save it. I'm going to save it, and I'm going to. Everybody knows, every developer knows about Open with Live Server. If you don't have this one, please install it because this is a great a great tool to show on the browser. So let me run it and then you'll see what I mean. There we have Namibian code jig already reserved. Let me make it more bigger for you to see, and let me also put it in the center. Okay, so I'm going to write the class, and the class gonna be text. That's what I love about Bootstrap, because you just write everything in one time. So I'm going to change the div to h1 so you can see it very wide. Okay, there we go. There you see. It's in the center. You have seen that I've implemented some magic code there, so it gives me the center. But yet we don't have a date here. So I'm going to jump to JavaScript. So here I go with JavaScript. Let me go. Sorry, let me not do that. Let me do the other way. Okay, and there we go. And then here I'm gonna implement the JavaScript code. The JavaScript goes something like, we start with a dollar sign or some text. We go with text, and I will implement something here like, let's give it a new date. Okay, and then I go with something like this, and then let's get a full year. We're gonna get a full year. So you can see some JavaScript is good. JavaScript is already showing everything, but with together with a tab 9 here. That's what I use. Tab 9 gives me. It brings all the magic along, so I don't have to look for it and or struggle with it. Some of the developers, they use Kite. Yeah, Kite is also good, but I prefer Tab 9. Yeah, I know everybody loves whatever they love. Okay, here we got now the code which is going to change the year automatically. So I will start with hash, and then I will write this year. This is the code which I'm going to write in JavaScript. So let's run it. Let's check whether we got the year of today. Let me run it. There's nothing appearing. Why is it not showing? Okay, why is it not showing? It's not showing anything, but not a problem. So we got the full code. This whole full code should work. But what is the problem? Why is it not running? Okay, let me try it again. It's not running. So we got some, JavaScript, it's very sensitive sometimes when we try to run things, but the things won't run. I can maybe bring it down. Maybe it will help us, or maybe it will run somehow. Okay, let me try to run it again. There we are. We got the year. We got the year 2021. So this magic code is going to change every year every new year, this number will change to a new digits of the year. So this is what I have for you today. I hope you like it, and please subscribe to my channel to give you more of different solution problem solutions. Thank you a lot, and have a good day or good night, whatever. Okay, ciao.